Here's an easy collard greens recipe that's sure to come out delicious every single time. Other than your collard greens, your main ingredients are listed down below: chicken broth, vegetable oil, minced garlic, and smoked meat. I chose to use a smoked neck bone for today's batch of greens. So you'll start off by first chopping up your greens and then rinsing them thoroughly until the water is nice and clear like you see here. Then you'll take a pot and add in your oil and your minced garlic and saute that until it's a nice golden brown. And then add in your chicken broth and your smoked meat. And you'll cook that for about 30 minutes so that the broth takes the flavor of the smoked meat and the garlic. After that, you'll add your greens and then cover and cook them on medium-high for about 45 minutes. It'll appear that you have too many greens in the pot, but if you've ever cooked collard greens before, you know that they'll cook down, and this usually will take about 45 minutes, and then you'll start to have more room in your pot. Once they've cooked down, you'll go ahead and season them with salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes or any additional seasonings that you like. And you'll cook the greens until they're like a dark leafy green and nice and tender. That can take anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour, just depending on your desired tenderness. And here is the finished product, a delicious pot of collard greens.